Welcome my friends, welcome to a new video. I hope you guys are well. It's the weekend, it's Friday. I'm so happy. Tomorrow is the Sabbath and I can finally rest. But today I have a sweet video for you, and this video is about thrifting. I have set up my outdoor kitchen, and so I needed to go find some things to put in my outside kitchen because these things are going to be outside and I just want to keep them separate from the inside kitchen. And I have a big clear tote and I'm just gonna put the stuff inside of it and it's just gonna stay out there, and I'm gonna cover it with a top so even if it's rain it's not gonna get wet. So I went to the thrift store because I needed a couple of stuff. So let me show you guys what I got for my outside kitchen. Let's do a pan. Let's do a little pan around first, and then I'll give you the details. So this is the haul. I'm gonna tell you what all these things are. Okay, this is the haul. This is the things that I got from outside kitchen. And yeah. So the first thing I got was, well, I went to the dollar store and I got some spoons so I can use outside. The next thing I got was a bucket. This was at the dollar store. I got this at the dollar store next to the thrift store for $4 so I can put my water. It's when I'm cooking out there. The next thing I get was this hook so I can hang my kitchen towel there. The next thing I got was a rack so I can put things on top of it. I need that outside. I will try to hang it up and hang spoons and stuff on it. I'll do a DIY with that. The next things I got was this little basket, this little flat basket, and I got them at the thrift store. They were $1.99, two for $1.99. This one she gave me for $1.99 because they're basically the same, so I don't know why they're $2.99. So I got it for $1.99. So I got this. So yep, I got 4 of them so I can put all my, you know, when I'm cooking and stuff, put inside the basket. I like to put things in basket when I'm cooking. The next thing I got was this bamboo mat, and I'm not going to untie it, but you see what it looks like. It's all tied up here, and it was $1.49. And let me untie it for you guys. Maybe I will. It's tied up so cute. I don't know. Oh, why are they tied up like that? Let's untie it. Guys, these are some bamboo mats, and it's 2 of them, and they're so nice. So when I'm outside, I can just put these down and the rest things on top of it. So these are really nice. I like them. Yep, bamboo. Then I got this basket just to store stuff, and this was $3.99. A cute little basket just to store things. You know, you put your seasoning when you're carrying things outside. Very cute. Then I got this cup, $1.99, because I want to make tea out there. And I like these cups, so I'm making tea with this cup. I got another basket to harvest things outside. It was $2.99. Let's put it here. The next thing I got was this other basket. It's much bigger, and again, I can use it to carry stuff and harvest things. $3.99. The next thing I got was this steamer. It's a good size. And this was $3.99 also. And I got this steamer because my other one broke. And I like to steam pumpkins. So when I steam stuff outside, pumpkin and sweet potatoes, I can use my big pot and use that out there. Okay? And the find of the day is this amazing vintage kettle. And guys, this is an old vintage kettle, and I'm so happy I find it. It whistles, so cute. Yeah, so that's gonna be for the outside when I want to make tea. It's gonna stay outside. The other things I got is this warmers. So you see they have this circular thing on it. Like this part gets very hot. They get very, very hot, and I got 2 of them. They were only $10, guys. Look at the price. $10. I am so, like, I tested them already and they work just fine. So when I'm outside, I can actually put stuff on top here to just stay warm or to cook whatever I want. They're so amazing. So you guys, I'm so like ecstatic for these things, these warmers, because when you have guests or you have, you know, cooking outdoors, you can just put your things on top of there. If you're making different dishes and you don't want them to get cold, you can just put them on top this to stay warm. So that's incredible. I love them. These are Japanese inspired warmers. They're very expensive warmers, and I was just shocked to see them at the store for 10 bucks. I'm like, these are finds. These are just like steals. And this one was brand new. It was never used before. I have the instruction and everything for it, so this is like a steal. I'm so happy for that. The next thing I got was this bamboo holder. Let me open for you guys. Let me show you what it looks like. It's brand new. And it's made from bamboo. And then I'm just gonna put my seasoning in these things. In this thing. So I'm just gonna put my seasonings here, like my little, you know, jars of seasonings in there. So it's so cute. So cute. I like that. The next thing I got was this. I got this at the dollar store actually. I got it to hang my mint. I'm gonna put my mint in here, and then I'm just gonna hang it over the area where I'm cooking, so I can just grab my mint when I want to cook. The next thing I got was this tray. It seemed like it's silicone or something. Silicone tray. And I am going to be putting stuff in here, like, you know, when I'm cooking, I'm gonna put different things in there. My plate, my whatever I'm cooking with, I'm gonna put food, I'm gonna put my vegetables, whatever, I'm gonna put it in here. And then the last thing I got was this container, the storage container. So I'm just gonna be basically storing things in here. I'm just gonna be storing like my spoons, you know, so I'll be putting like, you know, my spoons in there, the outside spoons in there. I'll be storing some seasoning, whatever. And this has a very tight lid, you know. So you just close that and it's gonna go under the table and it's gonna stay there. And that's what's gonna... And that's it, guys. So this is my haul for the outside kitchen. And all this stuff is gonna go in the outside kitchen. And let's take them... Actually, I'm gonna wash them all first, and then I am gonna take it out to the outside kitchen, and I'll show you how they look outside there. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash them, and I'm gonna disinfect these. Like the baskets, I disinfect them with alcohol. I spray alcohol all over them, then I put them in the sun, and then that's how you disinfect them. And then after I use them, I never like buy them and use them. The same thing for that. I disinfect it with alcohol. I give it a good wash and then I put it in the sun to dry. So yeah, basically that's what it is. So I'll do that, and then later on I'll show you how I put them outside and set things up out there.